Dear students, we are at present in Kathmandu Medical University in the medical campus. We have a some getting the feedbacks from the two medical officers from the Kathmandu Medical College Universities. Ma'am, what's your good name?
So my name is Dr. Pragya Shrestha.
Okay, and ma'am, what's your
I
name?
am Dr. Saldina Shrestha.
Okay, so what is your opinion about this university studies?
So basically, KUSMS is one of the best colleges of Nepal.
Okay,
I myself is one of the students of KUSMS,
okay,
and I think the students of this college uh, can go to different good levels in the world, and most of the seniors as well as juniors have reached to a level uh, worldwide. So I think it's the students, the college is
very good.
very good.
Okay, thank you much, ma'am. Ma'am, what is your reviews? What is your feedback about this college? What is the best you observe? What is the best? There is some events. Or what is the best clinical expert from your side? What is the best feedbacks?
I am also one of the student. I passed my BDS from this college only, and right now
Okay,
I'm working as a medical officer in here.
okay, ma'am.
So, if talking about the college, it is one of the best college because the dental department is completely separate, and the patient flow is also very nice. And all 9 departments, I think the consultant and all the faculties, they are also very good. So, if anyone is considering to study in this college, it can be a very good option. And along with the dental college, the infrastructure is also very nice, the environment is very good,
Yeah,
and also the faculty members, they are very helpful. And as a medical student, our and as a dental student, one of the most important thing is the practice, hand practice. And because of the patient flow and all, this college can be one of the good like candidate if anyone is considering to study in this college.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. सर आप कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे?
यहाँ पे इंडियन स्टूडेंट के लिए कैसा है?
There are a lot of Indian
Indian
students,
students.
Yes.
even in MBBS. If you go and like research, there is a foreign quota, and most of the students are Indian. In dental, we don't have much foreign students, but there are some of the students who are from abroad and studying in here, and I think the environment for them is also good. They are like practicing the one of the main, I think, reason will be the language barrier. But if there are so many Indian students in MBBS, they have already started talking in Nepali.
Yeah.
There is not much difference in Indian and Nepali language, so I think they can cope up with the language also, and
Yeah.
also the fee structures and all will be very much feasible for them. Yeah,
And also the patients are also very comfortable in to speak in Hindi because of many social medias and all.
Social
So
media.
yeah,
Yeah. It's a common. It's our
so it's,
Rashtriya language. That's very good.
it's
So
feasible
thank you
for
so much, both are doctors. We are very much happy for getting the feedbacks. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.